We're at Disney California Adventure for Oogie Boogie Bash. Maleficent has returned, and then we have Syndrome are the two new characters. But Jason has never been to Oogie Boogie Bash ever before, so we're going to get to see his firsthand experience. And Jason, of course, is dressed as Jinu from K-pop Demon Hunters. Yes. We've already been stopped by like 6 children.
It was very nervous.
This is going to be great. Jinu goes to Oogie Boogie Bash. That's today's video.
The Oogie Boogie Bash has officially begun! I mean, come on! This is cool! Nice. Very partial to the colors you got on there.
Yeah, of course.
Orange, not black, you know, you got a lot of style.
Thank you, thank you. We were able to get in and see Syndrome in about 25 minutes, and that was us lining up before the party opened.
It's very fast.
It was very fast, yeah. I'm actually surprised we're already done. He's the most popular character this year, so the line is like massive no matter when you're gonna go, so I think getting it done early is a good thing. So now we're gonna go check out the rest of the party and get ready for the first parade at 7:50. What do you think of meeting Syndrome, your first treat trail?
It's fun. It's really fun here. Lots of candy.
Lots of candy, so much candy.
Happy Halloween, my dear. Sweet dreams.
Maleficent, we love you.
Finally, someone with taste.
Yes, my queen.
Why just be any villain when I can be the greatest of them all?
Yes,
me, the mistress of all evil. Now go and serve me well.
Yes, yes.
All these children all dressed up. Ooh, I'm really scared.
It's so cute. It's so green.
It's so green. Okay.
So they weren't doing what I asked them to? You dropped your rat. You're lucky they didn't get clingy. They kind of hold on to things and don't let go. Hello? You're definitely a monster. We'll talk later.
I see you like to impersonate Roger Rabbit. Oh, I think you're working with the rabbit as a decoy. Just because a human laughs at a tune doesn't mean you gotta act like a tune. I love you, Judge.
Hey, do you smell anything? Do you smell anything? No? Oh, how embarrassing. Well, you're not gonna say anything? You're just gonna film me and keep walking? All right, fine.
Oh, wow.
Kids nowadays.
I know. Kids now.
Hello? What about the most evil of all candies? Black licorice, huh?
Ooh.
What? What, you guys don't like black licorice?
I love black licorice.
All right, fine. More for me.
Well, you all can get a bit closer. What are you, Dolly Parton? Did I steal your boyfriend or something? Hiya, hon. The name's Agatha. I'm your new neighbor. To the right, my door right, my right. How's your bridge game, hon? Just kidding, I don't play bridge. But we are going to have to figure out some way to pass the time. I'm just saying. Westview, New Jersey is the most boring town I have ever been in. And I'm saying something. I grew up in Puritan, Massachusetts. Salem? Anyone here know of Salem, Massachusetts? Oh, yeah. Ooh. So tell me, are you here with your cousin tonight? I thought so. I actually could use a bit of advice. You see, I'm in a little bit of a pickle. I am Agatha Harkness. I am famously known as the Covenless Witch. And I seem to have joined a coven. I don't know, we'll see how that goes. And as a true student of the ballet, I know that it's coven 2, not coven true. What was Jen thinking? You hear that, Jen? Anyway, How do you tolerate each other? What's your secret, sister? Tell me. How do you get along with your coven?
Talk less.
Ooh, yes. You hear that, Billy? I'm gonna need you to talk less.
Who would you follow? Me or Alistair?
You.
Wise decision. You see, I am the devoted father who would do anything to protect his family, anything to avenge them.
Come on, gather everyone for a little frightful fun. Hey, Minnie, look! I'm dancing for Halloween! Dressing costume trick or treat. We'll go dancing down the street. Oh, I love your costume! And yours too! Who'll surprise us? Who will show? That's the fun we never know. Yeah! It's Halloween, everybody! Let us scream! Yeah, it's Halloween! It's Halloween! Halloween! Everybody scream! Everybody scream! I love Halloween!
Make way! Jack Back! All hail the Pumpkin King!
Happy Halloween, everyone! It's me, your dear friend, Jack. Time to join the celebration!
And the moon's fingers on our starry night.
Guess who's back?
And the wind is steady down your spine, you feel the chill.
Hello there. I am the master of light.
Now I'm leaving soul inside. Are the spirits out tonight? Halloween is Halloween, everybody. Let us scream, yeah, it's Halloween.
It's Halloween!
It's Halloween, Halloween, everybody. It's Halloween, you scream, it's Halloween. Boys and girls of every age, wouldn't you like to see something strange? Come with us and you will see this our town of Halloween. This is Halloween, pumpkins scream in the dead of night. This is Halloween, everybody make a scene, trick or treat, the neighbors gonna know. It's our town, everybody scream in this town of Halloween.
It's Halloween! Isn't it horrible? Everything's so slimy and gloomy! Really? Halloween will be?
This is Halloween, 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 Halloween.
Hello, little monsters. And looking so scary. Ouch. Now, who's ready for some tunes? That's the real. I know I am.
To a devilish party way.
No turning back now.
It's Halloween, Halloween, everybody. Let us scream, yeah, it's Halloween. It's Halloween, Halloween, everybody. It's Halloween, you scream, it's Halloween.
Welcome, foolish mortals, to the season of chills and thrills. No, it's not just imagination. Gritty creeps have read from their crypts to join the swinging wake.
Scream, it's Halloween. Dr. Facilier said, step up to my table. Put your minds at ease. If you relax, it will enable me to do anything.
Only tricks up my sleeve.
I can read your future. I can change it round some true. I look deep into your heart and soul, make your wildest dreams come true. manner is very annoying. I'm just teasing you, adorable. I love you so much. I see a strong, confident, beautiful young lady. I'll cure you too. Oh, great. Now I'm the bad guy.
You! Yes, you there! What are you wearing? I simply must have it! Who's seen the puppet? Have you? Oh, darling, who tricks you into wearing that? Dip the apple in the brew, wicked wishes all come true. Ghosts and ghouls in the night, summoning forth your screams of fright. Look, you fools, the potion's ready. Who among you shall drink the first? Boiling cauldron, twist and ride, frightened creatures come alive.
Cauldron they unite, shouting curses through the night.
What did you think?
I think everything is amazing. All the character, it's really cool.
What was your favorite character?
My favorite. I mean, what's the name of the witch?
Agatha.
Agatha. I really like the face in the end.
Agatha. I love Agatha. I think that I like the characters that have more leeway to play with you. So, you know, Oogie's just pre-recorded sounds, but I agree, I like Agatha. Syndrome was fun. He's a different vibe than Sid. I think where Sid used to make fun of people, and Syndrome is more like encouraging everyone to become heroes and more, you know, I mean, he's the character, but he's not making fun of people, so it's a different vibe, but he still has a improv. Like, he'll improv with you if you go up and say things. On the list, I would probably put Yokai at the bottom. I think that he doesn't have as much to work with from a character standpoint, or they don't give him as much to work with from an improv standpoint. But Agatha's great, and obviously Oogie's lair is incredible, and the vibe in there is great. And Hades, always great, always a good improver. He recognized some people from years before, that was great. Dr. Doom was moved this year, but Dr. Doom, when we were there was guests that were dressed up as Roger Rabbit, which was hilarious. Anything else? What'd you think?
I think that's all. You summarized very nice.
The parade? I love the parade.
Oh yeah, the parade is really amazing.
I really love the Gravediggers. Oh my God.
Oh yeah.
So many people stopped Jason for his costume. I loved it.
Yeah, too many people.
Including the cast members. That was fun.
Oh yeah, their reaction is really...
that was fun.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Very casual video. Let us know what you think in the comments.